Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the Yosoo cable Midi, specifically their 90-degree 6.35mm male to Midi DIN 5-pin male cable. This cable serves a specific but very useful purpose, connecting devices with a standard 6.35mm output, like certain microphones or instrument outputs, to equipment that uses the classic Midi DIN 5-pin interface. It's designed to link various pieces of musical and audio gear. A key feature is the 90-degree right-angle design on the 6.35mm end. This is practical because it reduces strain on the port, especially when plugging into gear near walls or other equipment. It allows for easier plug-and-play access in tight spaces, making connections cleaner and less stressed. Compatibility is broad, connecting speakers, amplifiers, mixers, and recorders to MIDI keyboards, synthesizers, organs, electric pianos, guitars, and other stereo devices with DIN 5-pin connectors. Importantly, it's built to be compatible with all MIDI standards, ensuring reliable performance across different gear. For signal integrity, the cable features spiral shielding. This anti-interference design helps provide a clean, uninterrupted signal, contributing to a better auditory experience. The connection is described as secure and easy to plug-unplug, which is convenient when reconfiguring setups. Overall, the Yosoo 90-degree 6.35mm to Midi cable appears to be a practical tool for specific audio and MIDI connection needs. Its right-angle design, broad MIDI compatibility, and anti-interference shielding make it a reliable option for bridging these interfaces.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.